Your gmail.com address is killing your business because it's just not professional. It's not building trust and it's making a really bad first impression. I'm here to help. By the end of this video, you're going to have a fully working professional email address with your own domain sending directly from Gmail. There are a few key steps that you absolutely need to follow to make this work, and I'm going to show you all of them right now. Let's dive right in. You're here because we have to get you away from being whatever at yahoo.com. And the first step to doing that is setting up an email with your domain. You can use any of the usual sites to get your domain, like GoDaddy or Namecheap. But if you want to save a few extra steps, then I actually recommend using Squarespace. I know that might seem like a bit of a weird pick because they're a website building tool that no one's spoken about for years, but there's actually a very good reason why. Squarespace actually took over Google's own domain business when Google decided not to run it anymore. So when you register a domain with Squarespace, you also buy yourself a Google Workspace account at the same time, which saves you the surprisingly annoying step of having to manually set up a Google Workspace account separately, and it consolidates all of your billing information in one place. Kind of a no-brainer, right? Here's how to do it. Go to Squarespace domains and type the domain name that you want into the search bar. For a personal professional email address, usually the best option is some version of your first and last name. If you're running a business, then that's the right pick, and ideally you're going to want the .com version. If it's available, you're going to see a price, usually around $15 for the first year. If it's not available, then Squarespace will suggest similar alternatives if your first choice is gone. You're going to immediately ignore all of those because they're never any good, and you're going to keep trying until you find one that you like. Then you'll need to provide your legal contact information. But don't worry, Squarespace includes Whois privacy for free. This means that your home address and phone number are hidden from public spam databases. After you check out, you'll also need to buy a Google Workspace plan. This is the industry standard as it gives you a Gmail interface but with your own custom email address. For example, name@yourdomain.com instead of yourname@gmail.com. To do this, head over to Domains, click on the one you just bought, and then click on the Email tab. Then copy this code and click Get Started. Then you have to choose a plan. 99.99% of the time, business starts is the right pick. Now this step is very important, so please pay close attention. Make sure that your alternative email address here is the one that you currently have access to, like your personal Gmail, as you're going to need it for the final verification. Within minutes of purchasing your domain, you're going to receive two important emails. The first is your domain verification email. Here, you're going to need to click the link inside of the email within 15 days or your domain and the email will be suspended. The second is your Google Workspace setup email. This contains your temporary password to log into your new professional inbox for the very first time. And because you bought these together, Squarespace automatically handles the basic technical records like MX and SPF. But if you're planning to use this email to send more than just one-on-one messages, and I'm going to show you how to do that soon, then you're going to want to manually set up DKIM and DMARC for maximum deliverability. Yes, it is 100% okay if you have no idea what those are. I've linked guides in the description that show you how to set those both up step by step. I highly encourage you check those out. The most important thing to remember is that Google Workspace setup email with your temporary password is going to be sent to your personal backup email, not the one you just created. Use that to log in for the first time, change the password, and then you're officially in business. But we've only just covered the technical setup side of your new professional identity. We also need to set up your visual identity. Having a brand new professional domain is like buying a shop. Congrats, by the way, huge achievement. But without any branding or signs, people don't know anything about your business or why they should buy from you. So we're going to fix that to build some trust with your recipients. Let's start with your profile picture. You're going to want to use a high quality headshot of yourself here. Please avoid grabbing the first selfie that you see in your camera roll. I do not know why people do this. And now, my 9-second crash course on lighting. Find a window with natural light, face towards it so your face is evenly lit, and make sure your background isn't distracting. Bonus points if you can set your camera up on something for a more framed shot. The most important thing is that you want to look approachable, professional, and most importantly, real. Next is your email signature. Avoid the spam filter trap of giant image-only signatures or dozens of social media icons like you see online. If your signature is just one giant image, then spam filters are probably going to flag your email before any human eyes can even see it. Plus, for the record, one giant image is not professional. Instead, we're going to keep it simple. Name, title, company, and your picture. Maybe add a link if you want to show off some achievements that you made on LinkedIn, but that's it. Now, there's not an easy way to lay out your picture and your information side by side in Gmail, so I'm going to show you a quick trick inside of Google Docs. And hey, Google Docs came with your new Google Workspace account. Bonus! Inside of your Google Doc, use a table to create your nice signature layout, turn the borders transparent, and then copy the entire thing, go to Gmail settings, and paste it into the signature box. And there you have it, a perfect signature ready to roll. There's one last step, and that's using professional formatting inside of your email. We actually have an entire video breaking down how to write professional emails that make you sound like a CEO. You can check it out here by clicking on the top right hand corner of the screen. But for now, here's the basics. Less is more. Use limited formatting over heavy HTML. A cleaner text heavy look feels more like a regular 101, which is exactly what gets more replies. When it starts looking like a polished brochure, then people's delete instincts kick in and your email is toast. And there you have it, your very own professional email address set up and ready to conquer the inboxes. But you might be sitting there asking yourself, what now? Well, now that you have this newfound email authority, you aren't limited to manual one-on-one messages anymore. You can actually run larger professional email campaigns right inside of Gmail, like the Outreach Pro. Need to reach 50 potential partners or clients this afternoon? Instead of spending hours copy-pasting the same message and then just changing all the names, you can now do this at scale while maintaining your professional reputation. Or maybe you're on the marketing side of things and you want to send a personalized thank you or a special offer to your first 100 customers, but you want it to look like a personal message from the founder, not some mass-produced newsletter. Or maybe you simply want to personalize at scale and not seem like some faceless mass corporation. You can send out large email campaigns to say 500 people and make it feel like you're sitting them down for a personal one-on-one. Yes, you can do all of this from right inside of Gmail, and I'm going to show you how. Let me introduce you to GMass. It's a Chrome extension that turns Gmail into a full-blown mass email and marketing platform. It lives right inside of your Gmail interface and allows you to send those 50, 100, 500, or even 10,000 emails, all while keeping that personal one-on-one feel. And you can use it to send all of those emails that I described and more. It can automatically verify emails before sending to reduce bounces, help you mail merge to send out personalized job applications, track whether people are opening or clicking your emails, and again, all without you ever leaving Gmail. If you'd like to learn more about GMass and how it can help you make the most out of your new professional email address, then click the link here on screen. And there we have it, everything that you need to create your own professional email address and how to get the most out of it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful, and if you did, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to our channel. It really helps us out. And if you're looking for videos that cover deep dives into topics that we haven't covered on our channel, then please let us know in the comments. We're making these videos for you, so if you request it, then we'll make it. And if you're ready to start scaling your outreach with your new professional domain, then go ahead and install the GMass extension. It is the easiest way to boost your email deliverability and start sending smarter and faster than ever before. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.